Hi, I'm Jeff Waite, and I'm here to introduce you to some of the advanced tools we offer to easily find your next trade. Whether you're just getting comfortable with trading or ready to dip your toes into more advanced strategies, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take a look at the research tools available to help you make more informed decisions, advanced trading tools to protect your investments, and talk through how extended trading hours can help you get a head start on the market as a swing trader or position trader. Before we start, it's important to mention the information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. As we know, a solid trade starts with solid research. That's why we offer a comprehensive set of tools to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. Let's start with the news section in our research area. We've integrated news stories from several different worldwide sources right into your trading platform, so you always have the latest market developments. You can also see news on a particular stock right on the stock's page, so you can make informed decisions about buying or selling a stock. Next, we have one of my favorite tools and a staple of staying on top of big market events that can impact prices, which is the events calendar. It's a quick and easy way to see important dates for stocks you own or are interested in, including things like when a company will announce its next earnings report or when you can expect your next dividend payment. Moving on from that, there's the Smart Score, which is powered by our friends at TipRanks. It assigns a score of 1 to 10 on any particular security, 1 indicating the stock may be underperforming, and 10 indicating an overperforming stock. It does this by examining several key market factors, including analyst ratings, insider transactions, blogger opinions, and more. You can find a full breakdown of each of these in our Researching Investment lessons in the Learning Center on our website. Next to Smart Score, you'll find daily analyst ratings. This area shows how industry experts at different financial institutions are evaluating the stock you're looking at. On this page, you'll find an analyst consensus rating and the average price target. If you want to go even deeper, you can see individual information on all of the analysts who issued guidance on the stock. Heading back to the research page, you can find trending stocks. This tool quickly identifies which stocks are making waves in the market. You can filter by a variety of criteria and click any stock you're interested in to go to their stock listings page and use the other tools. Finally, for everyone interested in trading options, we have Options Play's research tool integrated into the platform. This provides additional insights and strategies tailored for options traders in our platform. If you're looking to get started with options, check out the helpful lesson, Introduction to Options Trading, in our Learning Center. Let's do a quick recap of what we discussed. We have a news section to keep you up to date on market events, an events calendar to track important dates, TipRanks Smart Score to evaluate potential trades, and for more guidance, you can check out the daily analyst ratings and trending stocks. And if you're an options trader, don't forget about the Options Play research tool. Now that you've got the research tools to guide your decisions, let's explore the advanced order types that can help you reduce risk and maximize your trades. When it comes to using order types to safeguard trades, bracket orders are a good place to start. Bracket orders allow you to set your entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels all in one order. If you're purchasing a stock, you can automate your exit strategy from the start, no matter how the market moves. Personally, I use bracket orders to set up trades the night before, so I don't have to watch the market all day. This saves me a lot of time and worry during a busy day at the office. You can also do stop orders, which are perfect for automatically selling your stock when it hits a specific price. For example, if you buy a stock and it starts to dip unexpectedly, a stop order ensures you limit your losses without needing to monitor the market constantly. And for even more precision, there's the stop limit order. This combines the benefits of stop and limit orders, giving you extra control over the execution price. This is especially helpful when trading volatile stocks because you can set a specific price for your trade, ensuring you don't buy too high or too low, even when the market is moving quickly. Finally, trailing stop orders are an excellent tool you can use to lock in profits as the stock's price climbs while still protecting yourself against sudden downturns. This is like having a built-in floor that adjusts as you go and is useful for maximizing gains on a stock that you think is experiencing temporary gains, or that you feel may be due for a market correction. Let's say you buy a stock at $50 and it goes up to $60. You can set a trailing stop order with a 5% trailing amount. This means your stop price will automatically follow the stock upwards, but if the price drops by 5% from its highest point, your shares will be automatically sold, protecting you from further losses. Let's look at a quick summary of the advanced order types we discussed. You can use bracket orders to automate your exit strategy right from the first time you buy the stock by setting your entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels all in one order. Or you can use stop orders, which are perfect for automatically selling your stock when it hits a specific price. For more precision, there's the stop limit order, which combines the benefit of stop and limit orders, giving you extra control over the execution price. Finally, trailing stop orders are an excellent tool for locking in profits as the stock climbs while still protecting yourself against sudden downturns. Now, if you're looking to trade outside of regular market hours, we've got you covered. On our platforms, we offer pre- and post-market trading. This allows you to act on opportunities beyond regular market hours. If a particular stock releases news before the market opens, you can act on it immediately. With our pre and post extended trading hours, you have the freedom to invest on your own schedule. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio and add some stability, consider exploring fixed income trading. We offer a variety of bonds and GICs that can help balance out the risks of stock market investing. To recap, we offer pre and post market trading, giving you the flexibility to trade outside regular market hours. And if you're looking to diversify, consider exploring fixed income trading on our platform. So, there you have it. Whether it's leveraging research tools, using advanced order types, or taking advantages of features like pre and post market trading, these resources are here to make your trading experience smarter and more convenient. And the best part? You can access all these powerful features anytime, anywhere. Download the Questrade Edge mobile app for free on Google Play or the App Store. You can also add Questrade Edge to your web platform directly from your Questrade account. Remember, these tools are designed to empower you, but it's important to use them wisely and understand the risks involved in investing and trading. Ready to take your investing to the next level? Explore these tools on our platform or check the links below and see how they can make a difference in your trading journey. Thanks for watching.